Today, we're in Santa Monica, California with Scott Robert Lim and one light, the Stella Pro Reflex Hybrid Light. Scott is also an instructor at our Banff workshop that only has 15 tickets left available, so get in now if you want to take some wedding photos in the mountains this September.
Actually, I like that little dapple of light right in there. Whoa, hey, I'm Scott Robert Lim, and today we are going to experiment with lighting, and I'm going to show you how to create some amazing shots using no more than one light. But if you can master one light, then you can master 100. So the key is getting that one light down, and then you're set. I should have introduced Siete. All right, well, you know, we had the lovely Siete with us, and you should check her out on TikTok. What's your TikTok handle?
At Siete Says, S-I-E-T-E-S-A-Y-S, like Simon Says.
And she moved, awesome. Oh, here, let's let this car go by. You know, right when I choose that amazing spot, it happens to be the most popular area in the world. Oh, dude, we gotta get in there. I know, stay right there. Let's see, let's hit it up right here. But now if she looks up, right, I can get that beautiful catch light in her. Just put your chin up just a little bit more and look at me with your eyes. Gorgeous. But guess what? Now I did lose the backlight on her hair, so let's get up and let's see if I got the whole reason why I wanted to do this shot. Can you give me a little bit of attitude? Yeah, there you go. Ooh, I like that right there. Awesome. All right, great. And we'll just wait till our pink wall becomes available. It seems like all of Santa Monica is leaving this parking lot at the same time. Work must be over. Let's go for it. I like one down, yeah. So you're gonna actually keep your nose this way, right? Move over this way a bit. And this is what I love. Highlight, shadow. Great, and then how about something right up here with your hands? Ooh, yeah, she's good. Look what we have for you, E. Best boyfriend.
Yeah, I know, I seen that too.
Here, you give that tip.
I didn't touch that because of where it was.
The dude he just left it right there. Let's take a couple more shots right over here.
About finding the best location, 19 seconds in the shoot.
You know what? That's what you got to do as a wedding photographer. You got to be able to find something real quick, and I usually go by lighting. Wherever gives me the most interesting light or best light, that's where I'm going to shoot. And then how about sit down right there? And now she can look up, right? And I can shoot down. I got beautiful soft lighting. Yeah, let's try that. Ooh, gorgeous. Good.
I've been doing this a minute. Like, do you not agree with this is incredible?
The reflection, you got to see it. We're good. You know, guess what? It's gone now. We literally only had a few minutes and it was there and now it's gone. Poof, whatever. I like these shadows here. Try something right around this area. Okay, so go lean back there and then I want you to feel the sun on your face. Just maybe get your hands higher like that, right? And so I'm gonna try to get that sun right on her face and create some different shadows there and underexpose it a bit. All right, let's keep going and see what we can find. Ooh, you know what? I kind of like this ray of light here. Stand right here. Your head shadow has to be in here. Keep going, keep going. So get right in the middle, see that? So that's how you figure out how you get a highlight right here. So we'll use some video light and pop it right here. And I just love how she's like glowing right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go flash now because the backlight is so strong. I have to have the same amount of light that's surrounding her hair in the back I have to have in front, or else you're not gonna see her face. It's gonna be completely black. 1, 2. Ooh, there we go. Oh my gosh, this looks killer. 1, 2, boom. All right, so what interests me is this kind of light, this color here. So how about if we do something like this, where you're against this wall and I'm kind of using this as a perspective. Yeah, Good, and then turn up on your shoulder just a little bit, and you're gonna look right up there. Look at that. There's the light right there. Really getting the right amount of light is easy. What's hard is the positioning of the light. I'm gonna have to crank this down just a little bit. Let's try something exciting. Are you ready for something exciting?
Do it, Scott.
All right.
Shock the world.
I'm gonna shock the world here, and I'm just gonna start flashing. Good, and I'm gonna go in tight too. Oh man, this looks perfect. And so with this flash, I can just keep going. It'll actually go 20 frames per second if I wanted to, and it will never run out. You can do 15,000 flashes on one charge, and I can just keep ripping without even having to worry about it overheating. All right, we killed it. Now, let's see if we can have you sit here. I might be able to get a nice catch light, seeing that there's a lot of light. Oh yeah, sit down right there. So I like my subject to have something to work around, and when a subject can lean on something, it relaxes them. Now, she's amazing, but especially if you have somebody that you're shooting for the first time, it's easier for them to lean against something or sit on something and give you a great pose. So that was the one thing, and I saw the sky was bright over here, so I knew that, look at that. I knew that was just gonna give me an awesome catch light right there. Turn your head this way and chin up a bit, right there, good. And then give me a big smile or something different. There you go. Just, yeah, a little bit behind her and above her. And let me see what that light, yeah, oh my gosh. Got it. All right, good. Moving on. And then, oh darn it, I forgot my skee ball card. I paid 10 bucks yesterday. If I had to spend another $10, we went to the arcade and did some fun stuff. We're finding pockets of gold as we walk along here. You don't know what you're gonna find. Ooh, guess what? We are gonna do a low-key photo here. Close your nose because of the urine that's probably over here.
Close your nose. Brand new show.
What's the smell? Okay, so let's try this corner here. And then maybe just with the walls. Yeah, there you go. Maybe actually just pull your glasses down, because I want to see your beautiful eyes. There you go. Good. As long as she's in the dark and her eyes are towards the brighter sky, she's gonna have that, oh my gosh, there's Catchlight, you're so gorgeous. So I gotta take a shot of that. Look at that custom-made V-flat right here in Santa Monica, 3rd Street and Pier. You got a beautiful, like low-key V-flat right here. Boom! Siete is just on fire. All right, let's keep going around the corner. There it is. I might have to get myself killed to back up on this shot. Is it worth it? Yeah, I might be able to get it right here, right in between that palm tree right there. Just hang out there. I'm gonna get this right here. Greetings from Santa Monica, boom. I'm gonna add a little bit of light in there. How's that? Let's do it. Yeah, that looks good. I just like that little burst right in there. Boom, there you go. Killing it. And then how about in your pocket here? There you go. Boom. Don't look at him. They're honking at you. I hear this all the time. Love it. So it's like a spotlight around you. Here, I'll show you. See how that spotlight right there? Is that cool? All right, where are we going now? Where are we going now? I don't know. Let's go to the pier, see what we can find. Boom, done. It's a wrap. Nice. Yeah. Can you get in there? Look at, yeah, nice. So So we're using direct sunlight here, but we got a nice catch light, but people are walking in and out of the, creating a shadow on her, so I'm just gonna keep clicking away. Perfect. Put that light right on her face. There you go.
That is so good. Holy crap.
Come on over here. We got to get this. We're using one flash, so what I'm doing is exposing for the background. I'm making the background look nice and rich because we got the glowing orange back there. And then she's dark and I'm adding a little light to balance the exposure out. So I get the best of both worlds, getting the beautiful background, but also having my subject lit perfectly, creating an awesome sunset shot. Ooh, that looks perfect right there. Turn your nose this way a bit. Yeah, there it is. Boom. We got a great view of the Ferris wheel. Ooh, I love this right here. Put your hands on your, yeah, and let's do off the shoulder. Bring this hand up towards your face. We're killing it. What was amazing was, this is the first time in my life shooting at Santa Monica with off-camera lighting and not getting kicked out. I think it was Siete giving us some good luck, or maybe it was Taylor. I don't know. We had an awesome time shooting around town, finding some nuggets of gold, some light, some B-flats, and having a nice time. So thank you, Siete. Thank you, Taylor, and catch you next time. Oh, thank these guys too. The best boyfriend in the world, E, and Jay Mona. Look at that beard. It's so inviting and friendly and kind. That's the kindest beard in America right there.
It is a kind beard. That's great.